Hey guys, welcome to another trainings video where we are going to show you where you can assign a live chat agent towards a conversation as a round robin, and also check whether or not the live chat agent replied, and if needed, reassign the conversation to another live chat agent completely on autopilot. So we've built already this basically this short flow, right? Where you will just have these 5 nodes control this every step. The way it works is first we will need to fetch all the live chat agents from the chatbot. So we are going to call the external request, the API from UChat, to fetch all those available agents. As you can see here, if we test the request, then we will get some data back. And these are all the agents that we then store inside the agent's ID. Once done, we are going to format the data a little bit within JavaScript. And this is mainly to get 2 data points, the agent's name as well as the agent's ID. So if we are going to test this function, you will see that we get a nice ID back. So ID 1, name Jane Smith, depending on all this sample data. If we are going to test the request again, you will see that we now get Jane Doe with number 77. We're going to map both of these. As you can see, the ID is being mapped towards the agent ID, and the name, Jane Doe in this case, is going to be mapped towards the agent underscore name. The next step will be to check if the previous ID, so this is a user custom field where we are going to check if the conversation is already being assigned to a previous agent. If so, then we don't want to assign the exact same agent because this agent did not reply in this case, and we want to basically fetch another agent instead. So if the previous ID matches the agent ID, then we are going with the exact same, basically the exact same random fetching of a new agent until this condition passes. Once we have a difference in agent IDs, then we are going to this action block where we have a few actions involved, as you can see. The first one will be to set the previous agent ID to the agent ID just being fetched, just to make sure that the next time the user goes inside of this automation, we are going to fetch another agent. The next part is to assign the fetched agent and then use an external request, an API call towards UChat to assign the agent towards this specific conversation. And that is basically being done with this post external request. The next part is to pause the automation, of course, so to prevent any chatbot messages from reaching the user, and send out the live agent notification. The next step is to wait for 10 minutes. So this 10 minutes is something I just set up like this as a demo value. If you want to increase it or decrease it, that's totally up to you. But this is basically a waiting period where the live chat agent has some chance into basically send a reply towards the user. The next step will be to go with a condition block and check if the last agent interaction is greater than 10 minutes. This means that soon as the agent has been assigned towards this user, it means that they did not interact with this user yet. So the user is waiting for 10 minutes, give or take. And in that case, you might want to fetch another agent, which is being done by going towards this JavaScript. And then this process starts over. So we're going to check if we actually fetch a new agent, right? A new agent ID. If so, we are going with this action block again, where we're going to set the previous agent ID to the current one, and then perform an external request to assign the new agent towards this specific conversation. Again, enable 30 minutes of human pause automation, send out the live chat notification, and then wait for 10 minutes to see if the new agent, the newly assigned agent, has replied within that specific time period. So if the last agent interaction is less than 10 minutes ago, no action needs to be taken, because that means that the live chat agent has already been replying towards the user and its query, right? But if the second agent did not reply within this time period as well, we're going to fetch another agent again. And this is basically a loop that you can best set up inside of a workflow We set it up inside of a regular flow, but you can set it up inside of a workflow to let it basically continue as a backend flow as well. So this is the way how you can set up a round robin of live chat assignments and also check whether or not that agent has been replying towards the user. And if not, you can reassign it towards another live chat agent, all within these 5 notes. So do install the template if you are searching for a solution like this. We know a few users have been requesting this inside the community group, so hence this training video. If you have any questions, do let us know. And for now, have fun trying it out. Have a great day, take care, and we'll talk to you really, really soon.